What's up with the Locked In fam? Welcome back to another episode of Locked In with Trey. And today we are going to talk about something just a little bit different. Well, no, really a lot of bit different. You know what I'm saying? Your boy is on his beard growing journey, man. And I've never been able to grow facial hair that much at all. You know what I mean? This is the most I've ever had on my face. And I figured, why not do something different? You know what I mean? Bring in the daddy vibes. You know what I mean? I got 3 kids. Well, actually 2 and 1 on the way. You know what I'm saying? 1 girl, the oldest, and 2 baby boys, man. So your boy is trying to get out the daddy vibes a little bit and try to grow a little facial hair. You know what I'm saying? So, hey, comment down below if y'all know any tips, anything that I can do to, you know, speed up the process, or is it just a waiting game? And don't get me wrong, I know a lot of this plays a part in genetics and stuff like that, but I have men in my family that got full beards, you know what I'm saying, uncles, you know what I'm saying, my little brother even got a beard, you know what I mean? So I've always cut my facial hair. I've never let it get to a certain point, and I always kept it clean. Babyface Trey, you see what I'm saying? But now it's time to step it up about a few notches, you know what I'm saying? And, you know, take it to the next level with this journey of doing life with your boy here on Locked In with Trey. So, hey, if y'all know anything that I can do, any treatments, any, you know, products that I can use, let me know down below, because I'm here for it. You see what I'm saying? I got my brush, you know what I'm saying? This is the soft side, and this is like a medium hard side. You know what I'm saying? I need to wash it a little bit, because back when I had waves, I was, you know, beating it in. But, beating it in. Anyway, yeah, this is my brush I use. If I need to get a beard brush, I'll get one of those. But, you know what I'm saying? I've been trying to, you know, keep it okay. This is the most I've ever had on my face. You know what I'm saying? Just looking at me, you can see like a little bit of hair right there. You know, remnants right there. And I'm just trying to get it all full and looking luscious. I mean, as for right now, I got a little bit of hair right here, you know what I'm saying? Trying to connect. You say the mustache or whatever. The goatee. Cool. We got a little bit of, you know, light spots in it, and got a little bit of taco meat under there. Hey, you want some tacos? Tip. This is what I got. You know what I'm saying? So this side has a little bit more hair than this side does. But, you know, one day, you know, I'm hoping that it's all gonna connect. I got a little hair starting to rise up here. Y'all can barely see those hairs, but they there, you know what I'm saying? And on this side, it's a little bit of hairs. But hey, I guess you could say this is my beard journey, and I'm bringing the fam along with me. If y'all know any tips, I don't care if you male, female, or whatever, you know what I'm saying? If you know about beards, let your boy in on a little secret. Don't bring in the genetics thing in there. Some people can't grow a beard, because I've seen people who have less hair than me on their face, or had less hair than me on their face, and now they got, you know, they got the banger, and now they like beard gods around here, you know what I'm saying? Even though there's only one God, don't get it twisted, you know what I'm saying? Praises to Yahweh. Anyway, yes, so I need to know what I need to do. You see what I'm saying? I got a few products that I'm working with and thinking about working with. So let me know something. You see what I'm saying? Daddy vibes are on the way. It feel weird to say daddy like that, but anyways, we ain't even gonna talk about that part. All I know is I need help growing it, and hey, let me know down below what you got. But anyways, I didn't want to make this video too long. This is what you would call day 1 of the beard journey. I've done the lock journey, and now I'm doing the beard journey, and I'm growing my hair back out. You see what I'm saying? I got a little whoop whoop going on right there, but as for right now, I'm focusing on this beard game and see what we can come up with. I don't know what we're gonna come up with, but hey, hopefully it all works out. If it don't, oh well, at least I can say I tried it. But I'm gonna try to do this for like a year or a year and a half, not cutting my facial hairs at all, you know what I'm saying? So your boy's about to look like a bum, but we're gonna pull it off, you see what I'm saying? It's gonna be more like a boom bum and not like a, you got a few dollars. All right, that was probably too far, but anyways, it's your boy Trey Smith, bringing you love, peace, and prosperity forevermore throughout your life. Don't you forget it, and I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, peace.